Welcome to your hotel's guide to Exely Extranet. In this video, we'll walk you through the segments section in Exely Guest Relations. How segments are formed. Go to Guest Management, Guest Relations, Segments. Here you'll find preset guest segments based on booking behavior, booking source, and guest type. How to view overall statistics. Open the All Guests segment and select the Overall Statistics tab. Here you can view segment data for the entire collection period, including seasonal demand, bookings, and arrivals. How to view guests in a segment. Click Action, Show Guests next to the desired segment. The Guests page will open automatically with the selected segment already applied as a filter. How to open a segment. Find the required segment and click its name or select Action. Go to Segment. The Compare Periods tab opens by default when you enter a segment. Use the filters to compare data from different periods. By default, the current month is compared with the same month of the previous year. Most sections display values for both selected periods, along with the difference between them. The Overall Statistics tab shows the same metrics for the entire data collection period instead of comparing two periods. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us or check out our knowledge base.